For this problem, you need to know three formulas. One is the a plus b all squared, 2 is the a minus b all squared, and 3 is the a plus b times a minus b. I tell all my students they must memorize this at all costs, because it appears over and over in the SAT. We know that a plus b all squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A minus b all squared is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And then the other one is a squared minus b squared. So let's apply this knowledge to this problem. We know that this is a plus b all squared. Pretend this is a, pretend this is b. We have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Then we have minus, pretend this is a, pretend this is b, minus a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And yeah, now we just need to simplify the process. So x squared squared gets you x to the fourth plus 2x squared y squared plus y to the fourth minus x to the fourth plus, because we have minus minus, plus 2x squared y squared, and then we have minus again y to the fourth. Now we can just cancel out the numbers. X squared and negative x squared cancel out. Y to the fourth and negative y to the fourth cancel out. So we're left with these two together. So we have 4x squared y squared.